welcome to the STEM division at RAC. I am Patricia Majavi, Associate Dean of the STEM division, and I'm excited to tell you about the benefits of a STEM education, the programs offered in our STEM division, and transfer opportunities to four-year institutions. How can I help you? You'll hear this question often at RAC because we want to make sure that every student's needs are met to the best of our ability. So when someone asks you this question, they really want to know about your overall well-being, emotionally, spiritually, academically. In the STEM division, we strive for an environment that will prepare our students mathematically and scientifically for a challenging and fulfilling life. We will inspire you to think critically and innovatively as you prepare to contribute to your community. A STEM education pretty much guarantees you a job. STEM jobs comprise 20% of all U.S. jobs and pay 10% more than other jobs with similar education demands. In other words, investment in a STEM education is worth it. The STEM division offers associate's degrees in various fields of applied engineering and technology, engineering sciences, physical and life sciences, and health sciences. Our programs emphasize inquiry-based practical learning to meet community demands. Many of our courses are offered in various modes: online, remote, or on campus, giving students flexibility of learning options. Our newly designed labs provide students with adequate materials and equipment for individual learning and collaborative exploration and research. Our science faculty encourage student outreach and enjoy working with students to explore their interests. Students often have opportunities to present their work at local, national, and other professional meetings. In the applied engineering field, students can train for direct workforce entry through the mechatronics, machine tool, or electric utility programs. Students can also complete their first and second year science, math, engineering, and general education requirements for transfer to four-year institutions in engineering science. Students will be trained to become proficient in basic design and practical skills. In the health sciences and physical and life sciences programs, students will complete electives in science courses, be able to apply math methods in their science courses, and benefit from the high-quality models and equipment for an integrative lab experience. The STEM division works closely with the Advising Center to provide individual advising by dedicated and trained advising staff. Using a detailed program check sheet, advisors will help you plan your course sequence and register for classes. You'll also be assigned a faculty advisor who can provide you with career information and more detailed course options. For transfer opportunities, RAC has articulation agreements with many four-year institutions in the region, giving our students a wide range of transfer options. We also have a dedicated transfer coordinator who will provide support and help you prepare for that smooth transition. Don't ever be afraid to ask for help. We're here for you. Start exploring your future at RAC today. Explore our many degree options. Chat with students, professors, and advisors. Contact an admission counselor and discover why this homey campus makes RAC so special. Take control of your education and discover all the academic opportunities the STEM division has to offer.